The Lazy Girl and the Magic Mirror. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a girl named Tara. She loved sleeping, eating, and daydreaming, but disliked working. While her friends helped their parents, Tara spent her days lying under a tree, staring at the clouds. One day, while wandering through the forest, she found an old mirror. As she picked it up, the mirror shimmered, and a voice spoke. Tara, I will grant you a wish, but only if you complete 3 simple tasks. Tara groaned. Ugh, work? Can't I just get my wish? No work, no reward. The mirror replied. Her curiosity won. The first task was to sweep her room. Grumbling, she picked up a broom for the first time. To her surprise, it wasn't as bad as she thought. The second task was to fetch water from the well. Huffing and puffing, she carried the bucket home. Why is work so hard? She muttered. The third task was to cook a simple meal. As she stirred the pot, the delicious smell made her stomach growl. When she finally tasted her food, she smiled. I made this? The mirror glowed. You've learned effort brings results. Your wish is granted. Tara thought for a moment. I don't need a wish. I just realized doing things on my own feels good. From that day, Tara was no longer lazy. She helped her family and even taught others the value of hard work. And so, she lived happily, not just dreaming,